Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day, and today I want to talk about the YoSpot dash cam. This dash cam not only focuses on recording the front of your car, it also records the back of the car with this small camera. The front dash records 1080 and in the back is 720. Looking forward to demonstrating or actually sharing with you videos that I record while driving and also demonstrating the device to you once I have an opportunity to learn how to use it. What I've got to go ahead and do now is install it. Being that this is a long wire, I got to figure out where to tuck all the wiring, and then this connection plugs into this port here on top of the dash cam, and then this other connection plugs into your power of your car. So it is a lightweight device. Also, with this dash cam does not have suction for the window. It has a 3M peel that you take off, and then that sticks to your windshield. So if you are looking for one that has a suction, this does not. So I asked the seller about that, and he said, well, it's not as bulky and it stays well with the 3M. And then on the back, you do have your sticker here, where then that would just go to the window and then you can record it. So I'll have to play with that, and once I get it set up, I'll show you and then shoot the videos and demonstrate it, and then we'll give you my final thoughts on the video. In the meantime, you can click on the link in the description where you can ask questions, read reviews, and of course order it. Appreciate you clicking on the link if you want to get that information. Last couple of things. This is the box that it came in, and the user guide. So there should be a lot of good information in here. The components, basic user information, and all that good stuff. So I'll be going through that and having a chance over the next week to really get a good feel for it, and then sharing with you the experience and demonstrating it to you. So as far as setting up the front and rear dash cam, you could see the rear dash cam is back there, and I'll give you an idea. So there it is, and then I ran the wiring underneath here all the way down partially through the seat, and then I started running it all the way down and then up through the molding, and I'll show you the front here in a minute. And then for the front cam, I plugged back here, ran it under part of the seat, as you'll see. So here's that wire from the rear camera. I've tucked the wire underneath the carpet, so it's not perfect. It will take a little figuring out. Ran some wiring underneath from here, and then you could see I've gone up the molding through here and here, and then I tucked in, and then the wires are here. Now, what is nice about the cam with this setup, you can tuck this up like this if you want to hide it, and then you could just remove it as well. So it stays on very well, it doesn't shake, and there you go. So that is the setup. It takes a little time to work on it, and I still have a little bit more to make it a little cleaner, but this will at least give you an idea. Okay, let's go through some of the features that you can do with the dash cam. So the front dash cam is right now showing 3/4 of the screen. The rear is this corner here. So you could switch how you want to view it. You can do it like that. You can do it half and half. You could do it for the front only, and you could do it for the back. And then any of the modes, if you want to record, let's say the rear camera only, you could press the record button, which is this top button there. You could stop it. If you want to do it split that way, you can record it. You could split it half and half, and that would allow you to turn it on or off for recording. If you want to go into photo mode, so you would have to stop recording, you press the second button, and now you could take a photo. If you want to switch to the rear cam only, as you can see, you can take a photo as well. If you are in this mode, now we are in the review, so these are everything that is stored on my dash cam. If you want to delete that photo, you press this middle button, and then you can either delete, protect, or slideshow. So if I want to click delete, you press this to enter, and then you have the option to delete current or delete all. So we'll say in this case, delete current, and then you could delete the file. So those are of the basic features. And then you have here, as you can see, you've got different options with the inside here you can come into. So we got LCD brightness, auto off, frequency, beep sound, language, date time, format, default setting, and version. And then we have in the tools, we have LCD brightness, auto off, frequency, beep sound, language, time date, format, and default setting. And the last one is version. So those are the different features. And then if you wanted to, let's say, go into beep sound, you would press, and that would allow you to go in there. You could turn that on or off. So you want to keep that on. So these are some of the basic features with using the Dashcam. If you want to go into reviewing the video you just took and watching the replay of that, what you would do is you would go into the mode where all your files are saved, and then you could scroll to, let's say, the one you want to view. So let's just fast forward to a video here. And let's just say you found your video. You could see I'm going through all the different files. I found one here, and this one is about a minute long. To play that video, you're gonna press this top button here, and now you can view the video. Now you could fast forward it by clicking this bottom button, and that will put it into the 2x speed. The next option is 4x speed or 8x speed. If you want to go back, you can press the upper button, so let you go back 2x, 4x, or 8x, and again, you can go forwards. So that is how you replay a video that's on your Dashcam.
Doing a test with the Dashcam, driving on the highway, to give you an opportunity to see the video that it picks up, as well as the audio of my voice with the music. Got the music all down. Now I'm adding music. Doing about 65 miles an hour.
Okay, so there you go. This should give you a pretty good idea for most of the features that you're going to use, whether it's shooting the video from the front, the back, or both, if you want to take photos. And I'm really impressed with the quality for the price point. I think it definitely is a great value. Takes a little time setting up, but once you do, I think you're really going to love it and find value in this. And I think everybody should really have one in their car. You never know if you're going to get hit, and this really protects you. As far as the motion detection, when I tested that, it did not work when this was powered off. It has to be powered on. And there's other features that I really haven't had a chance to use, but I think with what I showed you is what you're mostly going to use it for. So be sure to click on the link, read the other reviews, ask questions, and order it. Let me know if you have any questions. I really appreciate your time, and I'm really appreciative that the company sent this to me to review and share with you. All right, everybody, have a great day. Be safe on the road out there. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.